Hello, I'm Mr. Amparo, and I am a 3D printing teacher for Desert Ridge Academy located in Southern California. And this is my tutorial series on learning Blender. And why am I making a tutorial series on learning Blender when I barely know it? Here's why. 1, I want to learn it, and this forces me to do it. Number 2, my students want to learn it in short bursts while making something. Seems fair. 3, there aren't that many tutorials specifically for 3D modeling and printing that my students would watch. And believe me, there is a difference between just modeling and modeling for 3D printing. 4, also, since I'm recording all of this, I can use all this stuff in my classroom next year, and the year after that, and the year after that. So it's less work for me until Blender, creates a new update that changes everything. Now, I know there are plenty of tutorials out there to learn Blender that go into detail about most of the stuff it can do. If that's what you're looking for, please watch those videos. In fact, I probably watch them too. If you want to learn slowly and specifically for 3D printing, feel free to enjoy. Have a great day.